Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today, before we are unboxing, I want to talk to you about the new coronavirus, and I hope you are all staying inside and washing your hands and like everything that the governments are saying. Please listen to them and listen to the authorities. Don't go outside, stay inside in your home if you can, and please reduce to minimum going outside if possible, and also if you still need to go, please avoid big the big places where a lot of people go, um, the busy places. And also, before unboxing, I want to say that I have still some unboxings left to edit, so I don't really know if this will go up before or after those unboxings being uploaded. So this is being filmed on April 5th, I think, and I still have like 3 or something like that unboxings from January that I still didn't edit because I was so busy, so please bear with me. And today's unboxing is the atiny first kit membership. I don't know the exact, so it's from Yes24. I will unbox it like this because on the other side I have my personal information and we don't want that to see. And my mini cutter, please, I hope I don't cut anything that is in there. I haven't really got a lot of albums lately because of the coronavirus, and the only albums I'm waiting for are the Japanese ateez albums. I know it's been like 2 months since then, but I also, from the seller, I buy everything Japanese related. She did a Japanese tour thingies geo group order for those, so I also got some from them, and also a light stick. So also now Romania, because that's where I live, suspended all airmail, so it will take some more time for them to arrive at my place. Also, here we have, this is some kind of bubble plastic thingy from Yes24, and I know that the membership card, yes, I saw it. The membership card is somewhere on the front, because I don't know why they did this, because like, why would you put the card on the front? But anyway, let me so I'm not showing right now my personal information. Here it is, the front and the back. Here it says 8x1 team. Okay, so I'm just hoping I don't cut this because it was expensive. Also here it's like, please focus. Does it focus? Here we have like the debut date, something like that, that is also on the light stick. And let me get this strip off with the card. Also, ateez did a live unboxing on VLive or something for this, so also I really like this thingy, and I don't really want to rip this off, so just gonna say it like that. So when, ooh, here, after we take the strip off, it's like, please focus, it's to our treasure atiny, and it's like a stamp or something like this. And also this is the date when we got the name atiny, and this is really cute. Also on the back it says ateez first official fan club atiny kit, and like the credits to KQ Entertainment here. Okay, so opening this up, ta-dam! And we have all these things. Wait, this is really interesting. Let me see. Just, I'm getting everything out of here. Okay, so this is it. And also here on the bottom we have it makes one team and everyone's whole entire names. Yes, so putting this away. That's okay. So first, just getting this, like how they are boxed here. We have the enamel pin, or I don't know how it's called, this thing is. I don't know why it can't focus, I'm sorry. I'm filming on my phone, so I don't really have a tripod or anything. Just working how I can. And also here it says for our treasure atiny. I'm not getting this out of the plastic. And on the back it says the first official fan club atiny kit. Then we have this envelope with the logo on it. Please focus. I don't know why it isn't focusing. Anyway, you got the idea. And we have some photos. I mean, I already kind of saw all these things on Twitter, so it's not really a surprise for me anymore. And also, ateez again did a whole unboxing of this. So they are not in order. So first we have Young. Oh my god, they look amazing, and really I'm freaking sorry this doesn't focus. Anyway, Young. Then we have Songhwa. Yonho. Yosang. I'm just trying to work this out of the, trying to focus, like focus. Minnie. Hongjung and Jongho. Anyway, they all look amazing, and it's like little ID photos kind of, because they're little and they aren't cut out like it should be. But anyways, putting this away, then we have postcards. I think these are postcards, and so we have Hongjung with his signature here. From ateez, Hongjung to atiny. Oh my god. Then we have Songhwa. This photo is really great. And I think we have all their signatures and saying that it's to atiny and from their respective names. Then we have Yonho. And also they all look great, so I'm not saying this anymore. But they do all look great. And then Yosang. Also this light thingy, it's great. Then Sam. Photographer Minnie. Look at his signature, oh my god. Woyang. I think everybody on Twitter went wild over Woyang with this Woyang with glasses. And I can see why, because he's stunning like everyone else. Jongho. Vocal legend. He's pretty too. And lastly we have this photo group card. Is it focusing? I'm trying my best, but I don't know why isn't it focusing. And then on the back we have all their names in their respective writing, and on every bag it says 8 makes 1 team. Like here it's in this format, 8 makes 1 team, and here we have in this format. And then we have, I think this is a luggage tag, but I'm not really sure. And they don't say it. But on the back it's like the first official fanclub atiny kit, and also KQ Entertainment, something like this. So it's like this on a whole. Let's see how does this look without. I think yes it is. Damn, this is smooth. It kind of reflects. And here we have that flower they do for their first anniversary merch or something like that. And here you're supposed to I think you're supposed to get this thing out for you to like put it on the luggage, but I'm not doing it right now. And also here you have an ateez background, and it says name, address and phone. Name, address and phone. Okay, and then we have this giant photo of them. Like I'm not really sure how this is called, like a deluxe photo or something, because it has this thingy, like it's in a frame, and on the back is their logo, and also like here is the credits, and no, it's not the credits, it's their names. And also here we have again ateez first official fan club atiny. Also, I really love this photo of them because they are so cute, everyone in this one, so I can't wait to put it on my shelf for me to look at it every day. And then lastly we have the photo book, which is huge. It's in a plastic right now. So on the back it's for our treasure atiny, and then we have the credits for KQ Entertainment and Play Company Corporation, all rights reserved, blah blah blah. We don't really care for that. And here we have what I've been saying till now, like the first. And I'm really sorry it doesn't focus. I don't really know why it doesn't. But anyway, and on the back and the front we have like their names, it makes one team, ateez, and again the atiny kit. Also here we have their debut date, and then the atiny date. Okay, so I'm struggling. This will probably take some minutes, like be a super long unboxing, so I'm sorry for that. And wow, this feeling is a matte feeling. It has a matte feeling. It's a great feeling for this album. Okay, so as I don't have a tripod right now to make my unboxings easier, like like every other unboxer does it on a plain surface or something like that, but because I don't have a tripod and my hands are shaking very, like they shake even if I want to like unbox it myself and like film with one hand and then unbox it with one other hand and then put the video in here. I can't, so I just do it like this, as I've been doing my whole career of a YouTuber unboxer till now. So after I get a tripod for my phone, I will finally do normal unboxings for me and you to be easier. Also, so here we have the photo book. I'm trying to like do this as I don't even know how to do this. I hope you can see it kind of well, and then I'm sure like if you want to have a closer look of this, I'm sure that there will be other unboxings, and also I think that ateez did go through this photo book as well, so please look to their unboxing on VLive. And everyone has this Q&A like interview thingy, and here it says part 1, and it's all in Korean, and I don't know yet Korean that well. But anyway, I think that there will be at some point, if not some translations on Twitter or Instagram. Here is the part 2 of interview. Also, this photo shoot, it's amazing. Like, they look amazing, like stunning. They always look stunning, but it's kind of like this coworker thingy, I may say, that they did for their season greetings. But other costumations and everything, and this is, I don't know, treasure hunt, handmade map. And it's for atiny and drawing by Honjo. And I don't know, like some handwritten messages for us. I don't know if you can see, hopefully you do. Also, from Hongjong, we're moving on to Yosang. And I like their how also I don't know if you're an active atiny on Twitter, I think you saw like an atiny made an edit of Yosang being like the master chef, no, like a chef, like cooking chef, and like he being on the cover of a book for cooking or something like that. Like he's like that. He is looking like this, honestly, and it's very funny. But also, we knew that he's a chef because he did a real life cooking. I think he saw that tweet because they did say at some point that they are reading tweets and so on. Also, can we appreciate the headphones driven by him? They are so cute. Also, this one here. I really like this character that he's made. I don't know where the idea came from, but we love it. Then we move on to San. His serving looks. I really like when they wear glasses, but I mean, I really like when they don't as well. So it doesn't really matter, but it's a nice accessory. And I am wearing glasses because I'm blind. Honestly, I'm blind. I mean, I'm not blind, but almost there. Sorry if I'm moving on too fast, but it's really hard for me to unbox it like this. Also, their drawings are so cute. And oh, so they are a subunit. As you can see, that's why they are all. They did a subunit as well for EP final, I think. And I forgot the Z version was the white one, right? The Z version. And then we move on to some more photos of them. And then we move on to Songhua. And lately he's been bias wrecking me so hard. But Anyways, I think I might just end up biasing them all because I just love them all so much, and I'm daily bias ranked by everyone, so it doesn't really matter right now that if I say that Yosang is my bias, but actually they are all my biases. And also I alt them, so might as well just alt them all. Also, Songhai is the first one to add color to their drawings, which is cute. Also, he's a baby and he just had his birthday, and time flies by so fast. And now we have Wuyang. Here he looks like he's on. How it's called? I forgot how it's called in English, but I put it like somewhere here what I was referring to. I think this was the picture that everyone was just screaming about on Twitter. These pages are like, I can't believe I forget English, like honestly, like I talk in English every single day, but as it's not my native language, I really forget a lot of words somehow, even though I'm pretty good in English. Also, these pictures, they are great. Their drawings are so cute. And next is Joho, Magne of the Century. He really looks great, though. This is his drawing. He draws well, like, I don't know if he can do anything, like he can do anything. Everything. He can do everything. Also, we move on to their unit. I don't know why I find this so amusing. This photo, like they are the same there. This honestly feels kind of like a magazine. Also, the pages are very thick. And then we move on to Yonho, who's drinking coffee. I hope he realizes that it's not good for his health. I mean, more than 1 cup of tea. CEO Yonho. We love to see it. And here he's so cute with that paper hat. And here we have his drawing. I'm sorry if you see me constantly just speaking, because I just want it to be in for you to see the photos. And last but not least, we have Minnie. He's a whole baby. And I also like how everyone has different prompts and kind of a different shoot, but with the same feeling. Oh. Look at his drawing. It's kind of creepy but cute at the same time. And then we have Yogi, the friendship of the year. I really love their friendship. Like, I love all their friendships, but I guess that Yogi is one of my favorite. And then we have a group photo, and they are so cute, like always. And their logo and another vertical picture. And I think that's it. Yes. Okay, so thank you for watching, and I hope that I can be back with better quality videos and like with a tripod, obviously, better content, I hope. Also, I am still trying to do more choreos made by myself on Keeper Music, but it takes a while for me to do my own choreography, and when I really like a song and I start doing choreography, then it happens that they release their own official choreography for that song, so it's kind of disappointing, honestly, because I don't think that people will look at my own choreography after they released the original choreography. So we'll see, but please comment down below if you would like to see more choreographies and unboxings. And also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to see more content from me. And thank you for watching.